Hi, my name is Tom. I am a delivery driver, and I truly enjoy my job because it keeps me active and connected to people. Every day, my routine starts early in the morning. My alarm rings at 5:30 a.m., and even though it can be hard to wake up, I remind myself that a new day is beginning. As soon as I wake up, I slowly get out of bed and stretch my body. Stretching feels good and helps me shake off my sleep. It helps my body wake up, and it gives me energy for the long day ahead. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a quick, refreshing shower. The warm water helps me feel clean, calm, and ready to start my morning. After that, I walk into the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I like to keep breakfast simple. I usually make toast and eggs, and I always drink a hot cup of coffee. The smell of coffee makes me feel comfortable and motivated. While I eat breakfast, I check my phone and look at the weather. If it is sunny, I feel happy and excited. If it is rainy, I prepare myself to be extra careful on the road. Checking the weather helps me plan my day and feel more confident. After breakfast, I get dressed in my work clothes. I put on my jacket, grab my keys, and take a deep breath before leaving the house. This small moment helps me focus and feel ready for work. I start my job at 7 a.m. My work is to deliver packages to homes and offices around the city. I drive my van through busy streets and quiet neighborhoods. I follow a delivery schedule and carefully load each package. I always make sure the packages arrive safe and on time because I know people are waiting for them. During the morning, I stop at many different places. I meet kind people, friendly shop owners, and sometimes smiling children. When someone says thank you or smiles at me, it makes my day brighter. Around noon, I take a short lunch break. I usually eat a sandwich and drink water. Some days, I sit in my van and rest. Other days, I take a walk in a park, enjoy the fresh air, and relax for a few minutes. After lunch, I continue delivering packages. The afternoon can be busy and tiring, but I enjoy staying active and moving around. I feel proud when I finish each delivery. By late afternoon, I complete my deliveries and return to the office. I check my schedule, organize my work, and prepare for the next day. This helps me feel calm and organized. When I get home in the evening, I feel tired but satisfied. I change into comfortable clothes and sit down for a few quiet minutes. This is my time to relax and breathe. Then I prepare dinner. I enjoy cooking simple meals like rice, chicken, or pasta. Cooking helps me relax, and I like knowing I am taking care of myself. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. A clean space makes me feel peaceful and comfortable in my home. In the evening, I watch TV or listen to music. Sometimes I call a friend or talk with my family. These small moments make me feel connected and happy. Before going to bed, I prepare my clothes for the next day. This small habit saves time and helps my morning feel easier. Finally, I brush my teeth and go to bed around 10:30 p.m. As I lie in bed, I reflect on my day. I feel grateful for my job, my health, and the simple moments that make life meaningful. That is my daily routine. Now it's your turn. Try to talk about your day in English. You can also write your daily routine in English. And leave a comment telling us about your daily routine. Writing helps you remember words better. Don't worry about mistakes. Making mistakes is part of learning. Thank you for joining us. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until next time, keep practicing your English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone.